Are you tired of clutter in your Zendesk workspace? Learn how to delete an organization in under 2 minutes. We'll quickly navigate to the organization view, select the org, and remove it with just a few clicks. Here's exactly how. First, navigate to your Zendesk homepage in your browser to get started. Then, on the left sidebar, click the Organization icon. It looks like a building. Now, click on the specific organization you want to delete from the list. With that organization selected, go to the top right corner and click on the Actions button. From the drop-down menu that appears, go ahead and choose Delete Organization. Finally, click OK to confirm the deletion, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.